Year-old Carlos Yulo trains in this group. He was Palaro's all-around gymnastics champion in 2011. Yulo began his training at the age of 7. He dreams of winning a gold at the Southeast Asian Games. It has not been easy, but he is well on his way.
2009 po yung Palarong Tacloban. Ako po ay natalo. Dahil po, di ako nag-training maigi. Yung bumalik po ako dito at nag-training. Yung 2011, May 20, sa Sambanga, nanalo po ako, champion. Sa susunod na palaro, sana po, maging champion ako.
Alam mo ba na ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing mo? Alam mo ba na ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing mo?
Closest to being able to do that. Oh my goodness! Are you
Maraming salamat po sa mga nagpunta at pinagdasal po ako. Worth it po yung puyat nyo lahat at maraming salamat po. Naka-medal po tayo. Gold medal.